Hey everybody, it's Sebastian here and welcome to this video. We want you to be all you can be. So first step, click the subscribe button and then let's get into this video. If you're looking for the most simple and effective way to make affirmations, then watch carefully to the end of the video. I'm gonna reveal the secrets that actually works on how to set affirmations. And I'm gonna break it down in simple steps so you know exactly what to do, so you don't make the rookie mistakes that might stop you from achieving your dreams and goals. Now, I understand that it's really hard to know these things because in actual fact, nobody talks about this. Nobody talks about how to set affirmations. But don't worry, because we'll go through it step by step. And I'll make sure by the end of this video, you know exactly what to do, so you really have the ability to achieve your goals and make powerful affirmations that will change your life forever. The simple description of affirmations is just to declare something to be true. But in actual fact, there is so much more that goes into the process of using affirmations so you can achieve your full potential. This will be a life-changing video and life-changing information. So stick around all the way to the end, because if you're one of those that don't know how to do this and don't really know how to set and structure these affirmations, then this is for you and this can really make a difference in your life. Okay, let me give you an example. A famous US swimmer once said that winners, they think about what to do now, while losers, they think about what they are afraid might happen. And this is very important because I want you to keep an open mind and know that thinking and creative imagination is much more powerful than you've ever thought. Okay, here are the simple step-by-step process to make affirmations the right way. To create affirmations, you first have to make your list of wants and turn those into goals. I did a whole video on that, so if you haven't watched it, go back to my goal setting video, watch that, go through all the steps, and then come back here and we proceed, and link is in the description below. So you've done that now, and now you turn your goals into affirmations by putting them into a simple, brief, positive, and present tense paragraph. For example, if one of your wants is, I want $10,000 of passive income per month, then take that want, write it into your goal list as, I want to have a monthly passive income of $10,000 or more. Okay, here are some key steps to follow. Step number 1, make sure you put your affirmations in present tense with I am. I am, and putting it in present tense sends a command to your subconscious, and it really creates a long-lasting change in your self-image. Step number 2, make sure to use emotion words such as grateful, happy, ecstatic, because those will enhance your affirmations to also send signal and empower your subconscious to be that person. Step number 3, it is crucial that you make it present tense, because this enhances that you are already that person right now and builds up your belief and self-image into that affirmation. So, Sebastian, when do I read my affirmations, you might ask? Well, the best time to do your affirmations are in the evening, just before you go to sleep, and in the morning, right when you wake up. When you do your affirmations just before you go to sleep, you command your subconscious to work on them all night long while you're sleeping. Now, when you've made your affirmations, you obviously need to take action on those. And I can't stress this enough, how important it is to actually go, make your plans, take the action to fulfill those affirmations that you've been working on, and that it's not going to be something that's going to feel weird or different in any way because you've already lived it. So the only way to really make them come true is go take action. But it all starts with the affirmations. If you don't have them, if you don't have the dream, you cannot make it possible. So take action right now, and let's go through the last few steps. So you can pause the video as you need to, and make sure you really detailed follow all the steps, don't miss any of them. And this will help you to program it into your subconscious, but also your conscious reality structure. Keep your list of affirmations beside your bed, so just before you go to sleep, you read the affirmations. So yeah, you read the words of the affirmation to yourself, and then you close your eyes and you imagine yourself in that situation. You want to experience that affirmation. Put yourself in your imagination, in that affirmation, in that place, and experience it and feel it. See yourself in the situation as the person you are right now. Let your emotions in that affirmation flow through your body and your mind. Really feel being that person in that affirmation. So again, first you read, close your eyes, and then you experience, and then you feel it, okay? And it only takes a few seconds for each affirmations to go through that process. You redo this little process for each affirmation, and then right after you've done all your affirmations, you go right to sleep. The second best time to do affirmations is in the morning, right when you wake up and your mind and your body is relaxed. You're in a nice state to go through your affirmations, and you also give your mind a chance to report what it's been working on through the night. The next best time to do affirmation is anytime. I mean, anytime through the day where it makes sense for you. A very helpful way sometimes when you're working hard on your goals, you're working hard on something you're trying to achieve, and sometimes you might lose a little bit of ambition, or you feel tired, or you don't have the same drive to keep going through that pain, going through those sacrifices. Now is the time when you feel tired, you feel drowsy, you know you have to do the thing, but you don't really feel like it in the moment. You bring out your affirmations, and you can keep them on your phone. You can keep them on a little notebook. If you have them on your phone, put them in your notes, and you just go through them, close your eyes, and you can do this in like 5 minutes, and it's all done. It will reinvigorate you, and you can do this multiple times a day. And again, it's really important to know that doing the affirmation is to do the experiencing of the goal, triggering it into your subconscious, so it already feels like you've already been there before. Another affirmation could be, I'm grateful to master public speaking. I'm a charismatic and engaging person, and I speak to people easily wherever I go, both in business and in groups of men and women. Now, let yourself, right after this, with closed eyes, feel yourself in this situation. See yourself there. Feel it, experience the whole situation, and always make sure you have those positive emotions that you said in the affirmations, not just saying them, but in that experience, creative mindset where you're imagining everything. You feel that emotion truly deep into your core, and you let that emotion go all the way through you. Now take all of this, take your goals, turn them into powerful affirmations. And I do warn you, be careful what you affirm, because it will happen. If you're interested in learning more about achieving success in both business and life, make sure to go and check our other videos on the channel. The polite thing to do now is subscribe, turn on the notification, and make sure you never miss the next video. And I'll see you in the next video, and take care and take action.